Your nervous system is the body's communication network. Every thought, emotion, and muscle movement depends on it. And just like any network, it needs maintenance. The foods you eat either strengthen or strain it. I'm Christopher Gabriel, the founder of Life Science Performance, where I help clients restore energy, focus, and emotional balance through integrative health, aligning the body, mind, and spirit. Today, we're exploring how targeted nutrition can support the nervous system, balance stress responses, and even enhance the gut-brain connection. So to begin, what you eat does more than just fuel your body. It sends biochemical signals that affect your mood, resilience, and clarity. The nervous system relies on key nutrients to build neurotransmitters, repair nerve tissue, and regulate the stress response. When these nutrients are missing or imbalanced, you see it in sleep disruption, anxiety, brain fog, and fatigue. So rather than chasing symptoms, we nourish the symptom that governs them. So let's break down the essentials. Number one is magnesium. You can think of magnesium as the nervous system's volume dial. It calms overactive neurons and reduces excitatory signaling. It's critical for muscle relaxation, sleep, and managing cortisol. Natural sources include leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocado, and mineral-rich water. The second is omega-3 fatty acids. These are structural building blocks for the brain and nerve membranes. They improve mood, cognition, and reduce inflammation that can disrupt neural function. Look to cold water fishes like salmon, sardines, and plant-based options like flax, chia, and walnuts. Number three is B vitamins, especially B1, B6, B9, and B12. These convert food into usable energy for the brain and help for myelin, the insulation around nerve fibers that allows signals to travel efficiently. You'll find them in eggs, legumes, nutritional yeast, leafy greens, and grass-fed meats. Number four is antioxidants. Oxidative stress can damage the neurons over time. Vibrant fruits and vegetables, blueberries, spinach, turmeric, and green tea provide compounds like polyphenols to protect nerve tissue. Number five are amino acids. Neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA are made from amino acids. Protein-rich foods, fish, eggs, legumes, and clean whey or plant-based proteins ensure the raw materials are available to build those signaling molecules. Now, let's talk a little bit about the microbiome connection, because here's where it gets really interesting. Your gut is lined with over 500 million neurons, forming what's called the enteric nervous system, often referred to as the second brain. This system constantly communicates with the brain through the vagus nerve. That means that what happens in the gut directly shapes mood, focus, and stress resilience. To support this gut-brain axis, we focus on two things. Prebiotic fiber, which is found in foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and green bananas, that feed the beneficial bacteria that produce the neurotransmitter precursors like serotonin and GABA. Probiotic foods, fermented foods such as kefir, yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut populate the gut with bacteria that improve signaling to the brain and reduce systemic. For clients with sensitive digestion or imbalances, I often start with a clinical grade probiotic and a polyphenol-rich diet, then gradually increase natural fiber intake. The goal is diversity in your microbiome and your diet. Next, let's talk about sort of integrating all of these and what I call eating for calm and clarity. You don't need a complex diet to regulate your nervous system. Start with these three fundamentals. Eat whole foods that come from the earth. Balance each meal, protein, healthy fat, fiber, and color. And eat rhythmically. The nervous system thrives on consistency. Regular meals, hydration, and mindful eating signal safety to the body. Over time, these patterns teach your nervous system to anticipate nourishment instead of depletion, which creates calm, clarity, and stability at the deepest level. Nervous system regulation isn't just about breath work or meditation. It's also built at the cellular level through the nutrients that you consume each day. When you feed the body what it truly needs, the mind begins to quiet. When the gut is balanced and the brain feels safe, and when safety becomes your baseline, your performance, creativity, and peace expand naturally. If this resonates with you, please subscribe for more integrative guidance on nutrition, longevity, and nervous system health. I'm Christopher Gabriel, and this is how we nourish the system that runs everything from the inside out.